Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Search Console tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to exclude your brand terms from your Search Console report. Before we go straight to the point, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. Job number one, you are going to come here to Google Search Console. You are going to navigate to search results from the left-hand side, and you need to make sure that you are under queries. Now, let's say that you want to exclude all the queries that include your brand name. This website doesn't really have a lot of branding, so let's take this keyword as an example. So let's say I want to exclude this keyword, Korean. So we're going to come on top, we're going to click the plus new filter, we're going to add a query filter, and the easiest way to exclude the brand terms is to say queries not containing, and here we're going to actually select just a random keyword as an example, and we're going to click on apply. And in this case, here we can see a list of queries that don't include the term that we just excluded. Now, if you want to be a little bit more sophisticated, and let's say we want to exclude more than one query because maybe there are multiple brand variations, then we're going to click on new filter. We're going to select again here query, and here instead of queries not containing, we're going to select custom regex, regular expression, and all we have to do is to type dot asterisk the keyword that we want, and if we want to, let's say, include or exclude additional keywords, we're going to have the vertical breaker. This means or. And let's say we want to create a filter here, a custom regular expression of all the queries that don't match Korean or, let's say, restaurants. We are going to have another asterisk here. And what this means basically is that we are going to exclude from our report all the terms that basically match Korean or restaurant. So we want to see only terms that don't match these two options. Here we're going to click on apply, and here we're going to have a report without these two terms. So that's how you can use a custom regular expression, and therefore you can exclude multiple variations of your brand terms. I'm going to have the formula. It's extremely easy actually in the video description, so don't worry if you didn't catch it automatically. That's it. A quick recap. So you want to exclude your brand terms or any term from your Search Console report. The easiest and most straightforward way, you come here to search results, you go to queries, you add a filter, you select query, and you say I want only queries containing something or queries not containing something. The more sophisticated way, for two or more terms, you go for a custom regular expression, dot asterisk keyword number one, vertical breaker keyword number two. You can actually add as many of these keywords as you like. Once you are done, you add another asterisk, you select apply, and that's it. That's how easy it is to exclude not only your brand terms from your Search Console report, but also any other term that you like from your queries report. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day in any time zone.